Hi guys, this is Gurleen Kaur, family third year student, and today we are talking about a viral controversy that has shaken the social media, the claim that Eggo's egg cause cancer. Many of you have asked that does eating these eggs cause cancer? So let's break it down with evidence-based facts. A YouTube channel called Trustified released a lab report claiming that a sample of Eggo's egg contained AOZ. Basically, AOZ is a chemical residue which is linked to nitrofuran antibiotic group. This is banned in most of the countries as it is genotoxic. It can damage the DNA. AOZ is not the original antibiotic itself. It is a metabolite. It is what remains after the antibiotic breaks down. Because it can be genotoxic, regulators internationally monitor it strictly. Now here what's important, that just finding a small trace of AOZ does not mean that it causes cancer in humans. Many banned substances are classified as possible or probable carcinogens. Based on animal studies, there is no evidence in humans. In the Trustified report, the AOZ level was extremely low, that is 0.73 micrograms per kilogram. Critics of the viral video points out that a single YouTube video on one sample is not enough to prove a widespread contamination or a real health risk, especially without chain of custody verification and official accreditation. So yes, there is no solid evidence that Eggo's eggs can cause cancer, especially in humans. So now what Eggo's have to say? Eggo's have firmly rejected all the allegations. They claim that they don't use any banned antibiotics in their farms. Also, they have shared the lab reports from government authorized testings which shows no harmful residues. And further, they have announced independent testing to reassure the customers. So basically, the company insists that the eggs are safe and are not carcinogenic. Now, if the findings are real, they are potentially concerning from a food safety standpoint, especially from a brand that says and claims that they are antibiotic free. The detected values are comparatively low and they are not proven to cause immediate cancer or any harm to humans through normal consumption. So experts urge no panic, but there should be better regulation, transparency and testing in the poultry industry. Let's be clear, eggs themselves are not carcinogenics. They remain a nutrition food rich in protein, vitamins, minerals and essential amino acids. The controversy is about a possible residue in one brand product. It is not about eggs inherently causing cancer. So you don't need to panic or stop eating eggs. This controversy should make you think is the importance of transparent food testing, the need for stronger food safety oversight, and never to believe sensational claims without verified data. Stay informed, stay critical. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.